Hello, good morning. 13th Monday. After many months of study, I finally got something workable for the KVMD. Um, that is, I think that presentable, and but unfortunately, I could not convert the APK no matter what. So I've a lot of studies and a lot of studies from the internet, and finally I got something. Um, that one is okay. The YouTube, that is a good site. Yeah, that is convert to Python. So I got everything following, and then I do everything, and I this one I still cannot do, but I make a simpler version called Hello World. That Hello World, and then I try to do. I just follow instruction, the Hello World, and I make the command, and finally I found it work. An APK was correctly converted to the bin and also pushed to my phone, and it worked. Okay, that in the bin I got APK, okay, and then I also have a website. Okay, I can remove this one. I close this one, and no, and I have this live testing in the web, and I will use app live, upload your app, upload this one. I want to test the hello world. Okay, then I choose pistol. I just connect Galaxy. Wait some time. Okay, hello world is well. Okay, in brief, the method shown by the YouTubers are correct. In fact, I've yeah to convert this one and also some similar one, and also I don't know, but there are several that really workable. And of course, my next task is now how to my tic-tac-toe. I don't know. I figure out maybe I have something wrong with the KVM, location or whatever. I don't know, but anyway, and the secret is on the bulldozer spec. Okay, you have to set in the as mentioned in the by the YouTuber, by the ladies who specify that you have to specify the kivy version, KVMD, and so on. Maybe I mixed up something, but anyway, I was very glad that at the first step I got the my hello world done.